Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Vibe Nation, and today we're here to watch another video. It's another Backrooms video called Backrooms Autopsy Report. Trying to see if I can get as many recordings done today as possible, since my weekends have been so hectic with trying to get my car up and running and whatnot. It's been a bit of a struggle with a bunch of other things, you know. Money isn't really prevalent right now, so sorry for the slow uploads, even though I would love to post more, but you know, some of these things take precedence or other whatever. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. If you want to watch your original video, it'll be to Kane Pixels. Links will be down in the description down below, and let's go in 3, 2, 1, and play.
Subject is male, somewhere between 18 and 21 years old. I estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but due to the severe tissue damage, it's hard to say for sure. Cause of death was likely malnutrition. I was able to recover most of the digestive tract. So, as things start to deviate from what we would consider to be natural, the decomposition process appears to have been stunted somehow. It's like portions of the body stopped decaying and were sustained.
Is that his lung or is that his kidney? I can't really make out what has been written right here. If anybody can, like, you know, tell me what is written here, that would be really great. If I could, I'd write it, put it up for people who possibly couldn't. But this looks like this looks kind of like, yeah, this looks like a kidney. I'm assuming that this is the guy that they found in the missing persons video.
Other areas, however, were completely overtaken by culture. So, I took a couple samples of some of the material here. At first, I thought it was an aggregated collection of Pseudomonas fluorescens, but it seems to be closer to a mutated strain of simple Hay bacillus, which it should be completely benign, but, well, really,
Yeah, I believe this is in regards to the missing persons video where they found that person laid up against that wall.
Don't know what to make of this. Mr. Beck, may I ask where this subject came from?
Came from the back rooms, man. Dang. So it seems, so if I remember correctly, he said that the person died from starvation. So what happens to the people who are attacked by the entities? What happens to them? If this guy died by starvation and the entities never got to him, what happens to the ones that are attacked by the entities, like Homeboy from the first video. Anyway, if anybody has an answer to that, please go ahead and drop it in the comments. Definitely helps get the videos recognized. So yeah, guys, this was a short reaction to the Backrooms autopsy report, and yeah, very detailed like always. Well, thank you guys for watching, guys. This has been Vibe Nation, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.